Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the dreamiest, coziest decor styles out there, Vintage Shabby Chic farmhouse. If you love distressed furniture, delicate lace, weathered wood, and that perfectly imperfect charm that makes a house feel like a storybook cottage, this video is just for you. I will be sharing beautiful ideas, creative tips, and must have elements to help you bring that soft, romantic farmhouse look into your own home. From floral accents and antique treasures to dye touches and cozy layers, we are covering it all. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's step in the world of vintage Japanese farmhouse decor. Core elements: distressed furniture. Look for on paint finishes, chipped edges, and whitewashed wood. Vintage dressers, sideboards, and farmhouse tables with character are perfect. Soft color palette: whites, creams, pastels, blush pink, mint green, baby blue, and muted tones. These colors create a light, airy, and calming atmosphere. Floral patterns: use floral prints on throw pillows, curtains, or wallpaper. Mix different vintage floral designs for that authentic layered look. Lace and linens: add lace dollies, ruffled linens, and embroidered tablecloths. Choose natural fabrics like cotton and linen. Reclaimed wood and vintage finds: decorate with salvaged window frames, old shutters, or repurposed pine wood. Gifted or flower market treasures like animal pictures, old books, and vintage clocks work beautifully. Iron and wire accents: add vintage old iron bed frames, wire baskets, or antique lanterns. Ideas to try: create a gallery wall with vintage mirrors, old picture frames, and antique signs. Repurpose mason jars as vases, candle holders, or bathroom storage. Use a vintage leather as a towel rack or blanket holder. Hang an old window pane as wall art or frame it with a wreath in the center. Furniture and features: slip-covered sofas and armchairs. Use white or cream slip-covers for a soft, relaxed vibe. Add floral or ruffled throw pillows for extra charm. Chibi paint cabinets: paint kitchen or bathroom cabinets. in pastel hues and lightly distress the aids. Antique hutches or china cabinets, great for displaying vintage dishware, teacups, and clusters filled with dried flowers. Farmhouse sink with vintage fixtures, a deep apron front sink with antique style brush or brushed nickel taps bring timeless elegance to kitchen. Vintage rugs or lace runners, use faded Persian style rugs or lace table runners for cozy texture. Crates and wooden boxes, stick or mount old crates for rustic shelving or use as storage in entryways and bathrooms. Porcelain and ironstone dishes, display on open shelves or in a hut. Look for delicate floral patterns or simple white ironstone. Lighting candelights with crystal drops adds an elegant feminine touch, perfect in bedrooms, bathrooms, or even kitchens. Lantern style pendants, use rustic lanterns or messenger lights over islands and dining tables. Seasonal and personal touches, use vintage frames as chalkboards. Great for seasonal courts or menus in kitchens and entryways. Hang old farm tools or keys as wall decor. Adds authenticity and character to hallways or mudrooms. Mix family heirlooms, blend passed down coins, photographs, or trinkets with your shabby chic finds to make the space personal and warm. Walls and backdrops, shiplap or bedboard walls, classic farmhouse touch, painted white or soft pastel for that clean, airy shabby chic look. Vintage wallpaper accents, use floral or toile wallpaper on a featured wall, inside cabinets, or behind shelves. Hanging lace curtains, light and breezy window treatments that add a soft, romantic touch. Old door headboard or wall art, reclaimed antique doors make beautiful bed headboards or rustic art pieces. Creative displays, titled trays with collected items, decorate trays with candles, vintage teacups, books, dried flowers, or laced for table or kitchen decor. Hanging baskets or wire cases, Fill with plants, flowers, or rolled towels in a bathroom or laundry room. Textiles and soft touches, patchwork quilts and crochet drawers. Layer them on beds, sofas, or armchairs for a cozy, collected look. Burlap and linen mixes, table turners, pillow covers, and napkins in these materials add texture without being too fancy. Vintage finds to look for apothecary jars and milk bottles filled with buttons, spools of thread, bath salts, or cotton balls. Antique clocks and typewriters, great conversation pieces that add character to any shelf or table. Animal wire and galvanized metal. Think pitchers, trays, or wash basins, perfect for both decor and functional use. Old books with own covers, stack them with twin or open them and fold pages into art. Go for yellowed pages and soft hues. TV paint cabinets, paint kitchen or bathroom cabinets in pastel hues and lightly distress the edges. Lace and linens, add lace doilies, ruffled linens, and embroidered tablecloths. Choose natural fabrics like cotton and linen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay cozy, stay creative,